Stuller.com's quick order feature can be used if you have a list of item numbers, SKUs, or product codes which you're ready to purchase. Quick order can be accessed from any page of Stuller.com by clicking on Quick Order in the header. Here, you can quickly add a variety of items to your cart, all from one page, making it ideal when you're working from a list of items or adding products while browsing our catalogs or brochures. Each item displays a small representative image, the product overview, and most of the options available on the standard product page. You can change the product state, size, or quality, add special instructions or customer notes, adjust the quantity, and ultimately add it to your cart. However, Quick Order does not support personalization nor customization of our products, but it will direct you to the standard product page when you want to do this for an item you've entered. For a general search, or if you don't know an item's product code or item number, you can use the standard search field, using a brief description to find the item that you're looking for.